Hello and welcome to Ideas and Trends. Today we are going to show you different ideas and trends about lush landscaping with beautiful bushes. Lush landscaping isn't just about adding greenery, it's about creating an atmosphere, a mood, a living, breathing experience right in your front or backyard. And at the heart of that transformation, beautiful, bold bushes. Whether you are designing a cozy home, garden, or a grand estate entrance, the right bushes can elevate your landscape from ordinary to unforgettable. Let's dive into the bushes' freshest and most captivating ideas of 2025 for using bushes in your landscape. And trust me, you are going to want to try at least one of these. First up, the art of sculpted bushes. Sculpted bushes or topiaries are back with a modern flair. This isn't just trimming, it's garden art. Perfect spheres, twisting spirals, even whimsical animal shapes. They offer a sense of formality and control, turning your garden into something right out of a storybook. Boxwood Pride, Wet and you are perfect for this, and the best part, you don't need a palace. A pair of sculpted bushes flanking your doorway or garden path already sets the tone of luxury and elegance. Next, the magic of pollinator-friendly bushes. If you want your garden to be more than just a visual treat, if you want movement, life, and purpose, this is it. Bushes like butterfly bush, viburnum, and spirea don't just bloom beautifully, they invite butterflies, bees, and hummingbirds. Every flutter of wings and soft buzz turns your space into a living sanctuary. This isn't just a garden, it's an ecosystem, one that heals the planet while bringing joy to your mornings. Trend number 3, drought-tolerant landscaping. As water becomes more precious, people are switching to smart landscaping and bushes are leading the way. Think lavender, smoke bush, and ornamental sage. These bushes thrive with little care and almost no watering. Designers are blending these into Mediterranean-style landscapes, pairing them with gravel, large stones, and terracotta pots. Now let's talk about color themes, specifically monochrome gardens. Imagine this: an all-white bush garden, white hydrangeas bursting into bloom, snowy azaleas along the path with rose bushes gently swaying in the breeze. It's calming, it's elegant, it's timeless. Whether it's white, lavender, deep green, or even pink, choosing a single color palette brings visual harmony and sense of curated beauty to your landscape. Privacy meets beauty in our next idea: living fences made of bushes. Tall, thick bushes like arborvitae, camellia, or forsythia, and replacing hard walls and wooden fences. And for good reason. They offer privacy, yes, but also sound insulation, cleaner air, and a beautiful green backdrop all year long. You can even layer them for extra texture. Think tall arborvitae and medium-sized flowering bushes in front and loose creeping ground covers all the base. Functional, stylish, and totally alive. Number 6, layered bush designs. Layering bushes adds depth to flat landscapes. It's all about structure. Start with low-growing boxwoods at the front. Place mid-high bushes like ninebark or dwarf lilac in the middle, and finish with tall flowering shrubs or leafy green in the back. But don't just think about height, think texture. Mix smooth, velvety leaves with bold, spiky ones. Combine fine, feathery texture with broad, shiny foliage. Suddenly your garden has movement even when there is no wind. And then the wild charms of native bush gardens. This trend is gaining momentum. More and more homeowners are choosing local, low-maintenance bushes that let nature lead. Elderberry, Serviceberry and sumac aren't just stunning, they are also loved by local birds, bees, and butterflies. You let them grow wild, you skip the chemicals, and your garden thanks you with resilience and raw organic beauty. It's messy in the best way possible. Want to enjoy your garden after dark? Enter the evening glow. Soft lightning weave through and around bushes creates a magical nighttime landscape. Pink warm solar uplights at the base of the Japanese maple or fairy lights strung across azaleas. Your yard transforms, it's become romantic, cinematic, almost like a secret garden meant only for you. And it's easy, a few LED path lights or uplight underkeep bushes make a world of difference. Let's switch things up with Bush Island. Instead of having bushes just line the perimeter, try creating circular or oval-shaped island of bushes right in the lawn. Build layers, mix colors, and add a focal point, maybe a sculpture, a bird path, or even a small tree in the center. This breaks up large, flat lawns and adds instant sophistication without needing major construction. It's a small touch with big impact. And finally, bushes that change with the seasons. Your garden should never be boring. That's why bushes like burning bush, nandina, and Fothergilla and winning hearts, they offer dynamic color throughout the year. From spring flowers to fairy fall foliage and even winter interest. It's like your garden has moods, playful in spring, bold in summer, dramatic in autumn, and peaceful in winter. With the right bushes, your landscape becomes a living story, one that changes chapter by chapter. So let's bring it all together. Bushes are no longer the background. They are not just filler or fence lines in 2025, they are the stars of the landscape, sculptured, layered, glowing, and alive with life and color. From eco-friendly designs to luxury topiary to native wild beauty, there's a bush for every garden, every space, and every dream. So go bold, go green, go beautiful with bushes. Let me know which one you have liked the most in the comment section. Thank you.